To complete a Coinbase Buy crypto transaction, start by creating an account on the Coinbase website or mobile app. If you already have an account, log in with your email address and password. First, navigate to the Buy and Sell page, where you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can choose to buy using your local currency or another cryptocurrency. Next, review the transaction details, including the amount of cryptocurrency you are buying, the price, and any fees associated with the transaction. Coinbase charges a fee for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, which varies depending on your location and payment method. After reviewing the transaction details, select your payment method. Coinbase accepts a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. If you are using a bank transfer, you will need to verify your account by providing additional information. Once you have selected your payment method, confirm the transaction. Coinbase will then process the transaction and the cryptocurrency will be added to your account. This may take a few minutes, depending on the payment method and network congestion. It is essential to note that buying cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment and prices can fluctuate rapidly. Make sure to do your research and set a budget before making a purchase. Additionally, keep your account and transactions secure by enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your password confidential. Finally, consider transferring your cryptocurrency to a secure wallet to protect your investment. Coinbase offers a wallet service, but you can also use a third-party wallet provider. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can complete a Coinbase Buy crypto transaction and start investing in cryptocurrency.